Morning, friends. It's a bright, crisp, cold November morning, and today we have a fun opportunity. We get the chance to feed the Smithfield Temple workers. Now, these are guys who are working outside in the cold. It is 32 degrees here, freezing cold. The skies, the mountain, it's clear today, so that means it's cold, and we get to feed them lunch, and I'm so excited. I always think about these people who are working on homes or working on buildings or working on building things out in the cold. This will be a good service for them. We're having sloppy joes. Well, I'll show you. I'm going to take you along with me. Hey, we just got here. I have all the desserts here, and I have 110 pounds of salads there. And I'm here at the church where we will be serving lunch, and look at this view of the temple that we have from here.